Hey guys, what's up? For today's video, I thought I would do something a little bit different, something I've never done before on this channel, and that is put together a floral arrangement, but not just any. As you can tell by the title of this video, it is a geeky Minecraft-themed floral arrangement. So if you ever want to put something together for your nerdy, geeky loved one who happens to just be very fond of Minecraft, this might be the perfect gift for them. I went with the creeper theme because, you know, TNT, explosion, love. I think that's it. I don't know, it was the first thing that popped into my mind, and I always try and take something and make it inspired by it instead of like an exact replica of something else. And I'm really happy with how this turned out. If you guys want to see more videos like this in the future with different video game themes or even movie themes, let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, I'm excited for you guys to see. And as you know, I am not a flower expert by no means, but my sister-in-law Taylor is, and she is quite wonderful. So she's going to be joining me in this video and kind of telling you guys some tips on how to pick out flowers and the flowers that we chose for this explosive, this dynamite arrangement. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Creepers are an iconic mob in Minecraft that hiss and explode everything around it, and probably 100% of the time kill me. Crazy thing about this DIY is you can get these awesome cement blocks for like $5, probably at your local hardware shop or flower shop. I found them and I'm like, this is gonna be perfect to put our creeper flowers in. But what should they be? Something explosive. Dynamite! I thought this was the easiest thing to kind of DIY together, and the flowers are going to be crazy enough as it is. Making a little TNT block would be a really nice place for them to rest in. I started off by doing a white base coat onto the cement. I could have just started with red, but I wanted to do the white so that it didn't look like a dark red. I sectioned it off in thirds as well because the two top bits are going to be red, and then the middle part I'm going to use some craft foam to really make that TNT pop out. You'll see in just a sec. Once that's dried, it's time for the red. Go ahead and slap on about 2 coats of this bad boy to really give it some fire. I don't know why, but painting stuff is just so therapeutic. It's so much better than getting blown up by creepers in Minecraft. Ah yes, pretty, make it smooth. Second coat really brought out the red, and it was something I was super happy with. Next, we're gonna do the lines for the TNT, a little bit of shadowing. I mean, this is an extra step that you definitely don't need to do, but I'm a little extra. So I got like a darker red, a gray, a dark gray, and then I mixed in a little bit of black, and I just made these lines. I have this makeup sponge thingy that I don't know how to use, and I found it in my bathroom drawer. And I just put the paint on that and kind of just went straight down on the corners and then 3 lines in the middle. It looks like a bit of a mess right now, but you can kind of start to see it come together. If you look at a Minecraft TNT block, the resemblance is uncanny. It's not going to be perfect, but as long as people can kind of get an idea of what it is from a distance, then you're good. Next, we're gonna add some E6000, which is like a super concentrated hardcore glue for crafts. I use it a lot for my cosplays. And we're gonna get some white craft foam and just glue it on top of our cement block where we didn't paint. Be generous with that glue. You wanna make sure everything sticks. My foam strip only went on 2 sides and I didn't want it to keep peeking over. I'd rather have my edge be on a corner. That way it looks a little bit more seamless. Look at that, looks good! I used some sticky craft foam to draw out the letters TNT. And I'll be honest, I didn't cut these out. My brother David did, and he's really good at doing this, but my brother Christian jumbled up the letters, and now we have tiny T's. So I could have fixed it, but I just thought it looked really funny. Also, you should know your things aren't gonna be perfect. They don't need to be. Whoever you're giving this to or making it for, they're gonna love you anyways. Especially that tiny T. So tiny. Ah! And there you have it, your TNT vessel flower box is ready for some flowers. Let's throw it over to Taylor so she can make this thing explode.
Hi guys, it's Taylor and I'm a floral designer. Just a fun fact, I actually know little to nothing about Minecraft. I am so stoked to be joining Megan for this super cool project she came up with. Creepy Flowers for Valentine's Day, Minecraft edition.
Okay, I'm gonna just pause her right there. She said creepy flowers for Valentine's Day. Remember how she said she doesn't know anything about Minecraft? It was supposed to be creeper, but she called it creepy, and I just think that's really cute, and I just really like it, so we're just gonna leave that in. Okay, back to Taylor.
Today, I'm gonna be showing you my approach to Minecraft flowers. It's gonna be funky, it's gonna be different, it's gonna be cool, and I hope you love it. Let's get started. I wanna start by introducing you to each of the flowers used for this project, starting with a pincushion protea. Next, we have this beautiful yellow orchid. It's so magical. I just really love the colors in this flower. Here we have a banksia flower. This flower is so sick. It's got crazy texture, soft, kind of rough, and these really cool looking leaves. This here is called a lotus pod. It's got these really interesting little indentations in the middle. I don't know what you call those, but I love this flower. It's definitely not what you'd expect of a normal flower. Same with this green dianthus. It's furry and it's so fun. This here is also a pincushion protea. It's just like the first flower I showed you, only a little bit smaller. These are probably my favorite. These are billy balls. They are so fun and just so cute and tiny. This here is called hypericum. It's a unique little berry that comes in a variety of colors. I chose green for creeper, obviously. This might be familiar. This is called baby's breath. It's pretty common, except this one has little sparkles in it, which I thought were perfect to portray the explosion. This is called hanging amaranthus. It also comes in a few different colors. It's just really unique. I love that it kind of dangles down. Lastly, I have kitten willow. It's got these like furry little round things attached to it. It comes in different colors. These are dyed and they fit, I feel, the Minecraft TNT theme. So the first thing I'm gonna do for this arrangement is put a foam block into this vessel. This will ensure that I can arrange the flowers in the vessel. Now I'm gonna add some water to make sure I keep those flowers nice and hydrated. I've got my 2 pairs of garden shears. The different sizes are perfect for cutting different types of stems and flowers. Starting with the baby's breath, I loved that this would create a really cool example of the creeper explosion. The first thing I thought of to portray that in a flower was baby's breath. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by arranging a few pieces, different directions, different placements. I want to try to fill the vessel in a circular sort of motion as much as possible. So I'm kind of going to go corner to corner here, filling it all in, making sure nothing is too open. This is going to be a nice base for my arrangement. I'm just going to cut a few pieces off here, trim it down, and kind of start to get a feel for the shape that I want to go for this piece. Then I'm going to start with the green dianthus. I love that this is a great filler flower. You can use it for a lot of coverage in your arrangement. So you can kind of like put pieces up high, you can put them down a little lower if you want. It always looks really good to have different heights in your arrangement. I'm gonna add this lotus pod. I'm just gonna go with 1 for this because I kind of want it to just stand out as a cool accent piece. All right, moving on to the pincushion protea. This will add such a unique texture to the arrangement. So I'm just gonna add a few of those in here. Again, I'm working with different angles. I don't want anything to be all just in the same spot. I kind of want to move things around and have them in different places. Gonna go ahead and add some hypericum berries. I decided to stick them straight up out of the top just to create some more height in the arrangement. And now for the kitten willow. This is such a fun piece. I love the texture that it adds, and I like the color too. You don't usually see flowers that come in black. This is definitely more of a filler flower, but it's still technically considered a flower, believe it or not. So I'm gonna add a few of those in here. Different heights, different colors, adjusting things as I go. I'm gonna add this yellow orchid. It's gonna bring that nice pop of color to the front of the arrangement. Again, I love to make adjustments, as you can see. I think that's part of the creating process, is just evolving along the way. Billy balls, yes! These are my favorite. Gonna stick a few of those in here. You can use them low, you can stick them out high, you can do whatever you want with them. I personally like to stick them out high because they are small, so I want you to be able to see them. And here is this crazy looking Minecraft piece. It is super wild. But I've got one more thing to add, and that's the Banksia. I'm gonna stick it right here by the orchid just to kind of create those contrasting textures. There you have it. Super fun, crazy. Not what you'd expect of a typical flower arrangement. All right, so last, I'm gonna add these cool little accents for Valentine's Day. They are Minecraft themed, and they are so fun. This really completes the arrangement, and it is done. I think that's important to make your arrangement its own, incorporating all different types of flowers and never just sticking to just one. It's important to make sure you like how everything looks from all angles. It's so fun seeing a finished product of something you create. I encourage you to take your time to really take it all in. You created something cool and you should enjoy it. Alright, moving on to a bouquet, starting with my baby's breath, green dianthus, kitten willow, yellow orchid, pincushion protea, lotus pond, hanging amaranthus, billy balls, hypericum berry, got some ribbon here, more ribbon, my shears, and some tape. Then these fun little accents for Valentine's Day. Gonna clear all this off and get started. First, I'm gonna layer my bottom piece. So this is my base, which is, again, baby's breath. Kind of shape this out to form a bouquet, and then I'm gonna start adding other product like this hypericum berry, like this kitten willow. I'm using some different colors here just to kind of change things up a bit. Here we've got billy balls yet again and my green dianthus. I'm layering things from side to side. So with this one, you can group things a little more than you do in an arrangement. I think that kind of creates a nice color palette across. When you hold something, it's gonna look different than when it's in a vessel. So you can see I'm kind of layering things in here. Once I pick it up, I want it to have different depths, just like the arrangement. All right, I'm gonna tape everything together here, keep it nice and secure. Ribbon is the perfect accent on your bouquet. It looks so much more elevated when you add that special touch of ribbon. I chose red for TNT. I'm gonna tie this around here twice so it's nice and secure. I'm gonna add some second ribbon here. That'll just create some fun color, tie it nice and tight, and there you have it. It's so fun seeing a finished product of something you create.
That's it for my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. If you want some more gaming related DIYs, I'll put a playlist link down below for you to check out. This was really, really fun. Make sure you check out Taylor's Instagram in the links down below and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. A video game, manga, anime, fantasy book, I don't care. Whatever it is you want to see next, let me know and I'll see what I can do. Try and cook something up for ya. I don't know why I always do that. Alright guys, I'll see you later.